New to 1xBet, let's go through your first steps: bet, bonus, and tips.
Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video.
Step 1. Register your account and enter a promo code for a beginner bonus. You can find the tutorial at the beginning of this video. Step 2. Deposit money. Even the minimum works. You need to go to menu, deposit, choose the method you want to use for your deposit, for example Skrill, put the amount, in this case for example $100, confirm, then you need to confirm from the app and the money will be credited into your account within minutes. Step 3. Claim your welcome bonus, usually 100% of your first deposit, but if you use our bonus BUTV, you will get access even up to 300% of the bonus. And step 4, place your first bet. Choose a sport, select odds, enter your stake, and confirm. To make it, simply scroll down from the main section. For example, here top live, you need to click all, choose one sport, and here you need to put the amount you want to bet for your sport. Tips: start small, use the bonus balance and test different markets before going big. That's 1xBet for beginners. Easy, safe, and full of opportunities. And if you like this video, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.